So this is you. Your web host keeps suspending your domain name. Well, there are tactics to fix this, and I know a lot of people, especially Nigerians, have experienced this. Accounts suspended. Not only one, two, not only two, not only three times, 4, 5. A lot of time your web host is being suspended by because you create Bitcoin investment website on it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the keywords or the words which you should never use to create a crypto website. Now, one of the main reasons your web host is being suspended is because of the name you actually use. Yes, although the type of script or the number of codes or the written codes actually play a major role, but yet the words that you use to create the website or the name of the website, the domain name of the website, is one major cause of this thing. So in this video, I want to show you some words you should never use to create a crypto website or an investment website. So the video is going to start right about now.
It says that you go, no, she my flow. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Victor, and in this channel I teach you web design tips and give you tips that can help you grow your web design journey. So in this video today, I want to show you guys some words you should never use to create an investment website, be it crypto investment website, Bitcoin website, mining website, whatever. I want to show you some words you should never use to create them. The number one word you should never use, you should pay attention carefully, guys. Pay attention carefully so as not to make any mistake. So number one is capital. You don't want to use capital in creating a domain name for a crypto website. For example, as you can see, this website here use the word capital within it. So you don't want to even think about it. Either it's capital.com, capitalflag.com, or .org, whatever comes to your mind. Never use the word capital. Never think of using the word capital on your domain name. The word capital should be avoided. That's number one. Number two, investment. Avoid using the word investment in your investment website. The word investment or even invest. Yes, invest or investment. Never use both words on your investment website. If not, you'll end up getting the account suspended strike. Number three, avoid using the word mining. I've seen a lot of websites getting this, like Bitcoin mining website.com, broker website.com, broker mining website.com, and a lot of other things. Avoid doing this. If you do this, you might fall into the trap of being suspended, or your web hosting and your account or your domain name being killed. So avoid using the word mining. Number four, you want to avoid the word coin. A lot of websites that actually create this use this on their domain name actually get killed unless they are actually professional and real. So they are actually making use of their registered certificate, sending that to the web host to avoid issues that or stories that touches the heart. Number four word you want to avoid is FX. Never think of btcfx.com. Never. Avoid the word FX. Any kind of FX, even if it's good, gbofs.com. Avoid the word FX. FX, the moment you create FX, instantly the bot that has been created on your web host to check for spam, phishing and all that, instantly start tracking you. So that's where you get red flag and your domain name will be on alert or in alert. Let me show you an example. This is a perfect example. You see the domain here, suspended by registry. Please refer to domain suspension, blah 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 blah. You see this domain here, the moment I created it, it was on alert. As you can see, it was on alert. Even this one currently, they start putting on this yellow little stuff on it to show you that yes, this domain name is on alert. So once you use the word FX, you start having alert issue instantly. The fifth or the sixth one is air. Some people will actually create broker or investment website using Aircoin, Airworld, whatever air. You can even use airdo.com. When the word air actually gets into the domain name, instantly your website is being monitored and then you now start uploading your codes or your scripts that are actually Bitcoin related or investment related. Your website is key. The next one is airdrop. You never think of this. Never think of this. If you even think of it, die the thought. Once you try using this word, your account will end up being suspended. The next one you don't want to use is blockchain. Don't even think of this one, blockchain. When this thought comes to your mind, just kill it. Don't try to create, even if it's the .com domain, .org domain, .io, whatever. As far as you are creating a Bitcoin investment website or a crypto website or any kind of investment website at all, avoid this word. That is not actually legal or legit. Avoid this word. The next one you want to avoid is crypto. Don't even think about trying to add crypto to your domain name. If you are purchasing a domain, avoid crypto. Avoid crypto. Avoid the word crypto. Don't even think about it. Even don't even add cry to it, because it will be suspended. The next one is index. Don't think of adding index to your domain name. Index is actually it actually belongs to these top investment gurus or companies. So you want to avoid these words so as to stop web hosting from monitoring your domain name. The next one is fiat. This fiat, I've actually forgotten the meaning, but this word is actually a high monitored investment word. So you want to avoid using this word. The next one on my list which you want to avoid is cash. Cash. Unless you are doing a blog, that's when you can use cash. But if not, or you are doing an affiliate marketing program, if not a program, please avoid using this word cash. It is highly dangerous to use it for your investment website. The next part you want to avoid is chain. The word chain. You go to Google and type in chain, you see some website that has chain. Let's assume I actually saw a Bitcoin website that was something, what was it called? Pro chain. Chainpro.com. This website did not last up to a month. It was actually wired and sent to suspended account, and the website was killed. So this is what you want to avoid. Don't use any word, don't add anything to the chain. Another one is wallet. Never think of adding wallet to your domain name. Whenever you think of creating a Bitcoin investment website, avoid the word wallet, because this word will get you into trouble. The next word you want to avoid is exchange. I actually created a website using this word exchange. I bought a domain name using this word exchange, and instantly, after purchasing the domain name, I was sent a receipt, and then underneath the receipt, I was told that the word exchange has been used a lot for criminal activity and phishing website. That I should send verification that I'm actually legit, and I should send my company registration ID. That's why I left the domain name without doing anything with it. See, now the domain name is still registered, but nothing has been done on it, because at the moment I start putting a website inside this kind of domain name, I will have issue. So either it be exchange.com, any kind of exchange, just avoid it. The next one is the respelling exchange. This one is a very high monitored keyword or word in the investment industry. So you want to avoid touching or even thinking of creating a domain name using the word exchange. So the next word you want to avoid is trade. Why on earth would you add trade to your domain name when you are creating a website that is not legit? So please avoid adding trade to your website unless your website is being verified and you have your company legal registration. After that, you want to avoid the word trade also. Trade, this one without an E. This one also, I actually created this for a client one time and it was keyed. So avoid this. By the way, for your notice, this video was done based on informational purpose and for educational purpose. I do not succumb to you using the tutorial for whatever reason or illegal reason. I just gave the tutorial to stop seeing a lot of people asking me how come their website are being keyed, how come their website are being the web will suspend their website. So with whatever you do with this information is up to you. The only thing I brought is the knowledge of most of the reason your account is being suspended. So please, this website is for educational purpose only. ICO, please avoid using the word ICO on your domain name. The word ICO, I actually have forgotten the real meaning, but please avoid using it on your domain name. It's a lot of risk using it, please. avoid using it. Then the next one is NFT, non-fungible token. In fact, anything that will make you add es or whatever to this word, please avoid it and don't think of it. Please don't think of it. Don't think of it. Do not think of it. As I said, if not, your website will be killed unless you are a registered NFT broker or you register investment website that's trusted. The next part is your token. Your token, please avoid using the word token on your website. Please, it will be suspended without prior notice. The next one is your contract. I've seen a lot of people doing smartcontract.com, contractpro.com, flickcontract.com. I've seen a lot of contract name. Please avoid using it. And some people are so unwise that they will add words like token to contract. So to look at like contract token, they will not add OKEN to it and add .com to it, and then they will think they are wise. No, the web host will instantly suspend. Even if it is not instant, will suspend it in the long run. So please avoid using it. This one is ALT. The word ALT means all-time low. The moment you add this onto your domain name, you are being tracked by both law and bots. So please avoid using this word to safeguard your website. I don't want to hear my website is killed. Victor, what do I do? The next is BTC. Don't even think of adding any crypto related acronyms to your website. Don't add any crypto related. Even if it's ETH, is BNB, it is CTC, whatever it is, don't think of adding any crypto related keyword or acronyms to your website. The next is auction. Please avoid using the word auction in your domain name to enable or to ensure that your domain name actually lasts long. The next one is ATM. Please avoid using this. This is an automatic teller machine, so please avoid using this or in your domain name. It's actually wrong, and they would actually penalize you for it. Your web host will penalize you, and sometimes without prior notice they will kill your website. The word block, it is not advisable to add this to your domain name. The moment you do this, at that point your domain name will be actually suspended, and then you end up like this account that was suspended recently. Now the next one is your trust. I once created a website called Trust.fx, and that day after buying the domain name, the next day it was suspended. So don't add the word trust to any of your domain name if you are building an investment website. Please avoid using the word trust. The next is trade. Okay, we've spoken about trade before. The next is cloud. Please avoid using this word cloud unless you are a completely registered company. If you're not a completely registered company, please avoid using the word cloud before your website got suspended or the web will suspend your account. The next one is node. Please avoid using the word node on whatever website you want to create. Even if it's a local investment website, just avoid using the word node, because if you do, they might suspend your web host without prior notice. I've seen this a lot. I've seen this done a lot of times. So you want to avoid this so as to be on the safer side, and then your account will be safe. I don't know if you understand, guys. Please avoid you doing this to enable your accounts to last longer or your domains to last longer. If you have any issue, you could let me know in the comment section, and if you have any word that you feel I should add, please comment in the comment section. Also, if you have a word and you think that word, you don't know if the word should be used or not, please add it to the comment section. I will let you know if that word is useful or not. Please, the comment section is open for you. Don't make a mistake which most people make. The next one is IPO. Okay, we've talked about IPO. Then this one, I've seen this one a lot. This website, they last majorly a month. So please avoid using the word premium. Most premium websites, they last, most times I checked most, because a lot of times I do research on Google. For example, if you take this word, you copy it, you go to Google and post it in the word premium. Just press the premium and click enter. You're going to see premium. Let's add dot come with space. So you're going to see a lot of websites that has the word premium. So now you see this one, fontsforngos.com. So this website actually it's a premium, has the word premium added to it. It has the word premium added to it. Because it is registered, that is why premium stamp ng. So these are some of the words that has the real word added to it. But if you create your website using this name, you might get fried. So the next one on my list is stake. Please avoid using the word stake on your domain name. It will be wiped, not killed. It will be wiped and suspended, and they will track it to your village. So please avoid using the word stake. I think this is the last on my list. Melter. Do not, even if you consider fainting, even if you are tempted by the devil, do not use the word mental. But the world is going through the Web 3.0. So the Web 3.0, please do not ensure to use anything that is related to Melter. Your website, your investment website will be killed instantly. Then I think the second to the last on my list is the moon. Don't try to use this word. I've seen people create something like safemoon.itk, something like this, safemoon.syz. Don't just bother. The moment you start hitting it, you will be suspended. And also, I'm going to show you a web host that is actually safe to create an investment website on my next video. So please, if you have not subscribe to this channel so that video can pop up and then you can watch it. A web host that I used to create a lot of investment website for my clients. The web host is safe and it's actually something secret, and I don't give it out to everybody so as not to make it too popular or something like that. Yeah, so I keep it, I give it as a secret, and I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to put it such that only my subscribers can view it. So please subscribe and let's get ahead with the video. The next part is Ponzi. I've seen a lot of people create a website with Ponzi. So this word, the moment you start using this word, you are being tracked and then your website is being suspended. So please avoid using the word Ponzi. I think that isn't ROI, rate of interest or something like that. Please avoid using the word ROI or ROIO. ROI or ROIO. Please avoid using these two words on your domain name. It will be fried instantly and your account will be suspended. Avoid using these two words on your domain name. Supreme, the word supreme. A lot of people have actually used this to create their websites, and with time they can testify that this word has actually caused them issue. Avoid using words like this. Please avoid using words like supreme. Supreme is actually a high word when it comes to crypto related or investment website related. So please avoid using words like supreme. There are other words that are actually that you should not also use. Words like rate. Avoid using the word rate in your domain name. The word rate means a lot to different agencies, so please avoid using the word rate. Now, what are some words you could actually use to create a crypto web or investment website that will not be killed? You can actually use words that are safe. For example, words like pro star. Sorry, I have the word pro there. Helium. Now this word you might not. Okay, let's go to Google. Let me show you how I get most of my domain name for my clients. Now if you click on Google and enter the word helium.com, open it. Let's open. As you can see, this website is actually not a crypto related. The .com is not a crypto related. Now since it's not a crypto related, the website does not have any issue with crypto. Now what you can do is to try using something like helium.co, helium.org. If that is not enough, you could try adding something like heliumo.org. So all these kind of words that are not it will shock you that I created an account for one of my clients with words like this is one of the this is one of my, I think that's the longest Bitcoin investment website. this one. So what's like this that you think they don't have meaning, they actually work perfectly unless you have a company related. So if it is not company related, please do not make use of them. They actually will get you into trouble. And what you can also use is to go around your environment to look for two words that are not too related, join them together. So for example, FILO, filio. You can see something like this, or filio filioin.com. Now you can actually make this as an acronym name, something like filio, which I got from this word fire, and added O there, in, which you can take from the investment, filioin. So in the description of the website, not on the meta description, no, in the website description, your about us page, you cannot give the full meaning of this website, like filioinvestments.com. I hope you understand it, guys. I hope you understand it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are gaining value out of this tutorial. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. Like this video to enable YouTube or bring this video to more users. So I'm giving you value. So all you can do, the best you can do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. So you want to use word like filioin.com. Now, what other words you want to use are words that are not too related to things. For example, if you look here, you see the word insert. Now, so for example, I bring in the word insert here. Now, I want to make this something related. I could just add go.co, inserto.co. It can mean anything. Brands are actually created from nothing. So this can be your brand name. So you can use this as an investment website name. So it all depends on what you want at the end of the day. If your .co is not working, you use .syz. If your .syz is not working, you use .com. Whatever, there are a lot of extensions, .net, .io. You can just use one of these words that are not crypto related and investment website related, and then you'll be on the safer side rather than getting your account and then up this place. So one other word you should avoid using also is the word LLC, limited liability company. So please don't use this word anywhere related to your investment website unless you are properly registered. So if you use the word LLC, your website will end up in the trash and it will be keyed by your web host. So please avoid doing this. So guys, I guess that is all for this tutorial. We've come to the end of the tutorial. If you find the video interesting, as I said again, please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you on my next tutorial. So I want to go over this once again so as to enable everybody to see it at the same time. Let me make this smaller. Sorry, let me make this smaller. And well, to make it smaller, I have to bring it down a little bit. So let me just do that so everyone can pay a huge attention to it. So let's make it a 12. Sorry, wow, that made it too small. I can't even find it. Okay, so these are they. Let's go through it for the last time. You have capital, investment, mining, coin, FX, airdrop, blockchain, crypto, index, fiat, cash, chain, wallet, exchange, trade, ICO, NFT, token, contract, realty, BTC, auction, ATM, block, trust, trade, cloud, node, IPO, premium, stake, meta, moon, Posy, ROIO, Supreme Rate, LLC. So guys, that is the end of this tutorial. So I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Have a nice day.